Welcome to Veda Janani, Shri Bhairava Tandava Stotram. The Bhairava Tandava Stotram is a Sanskrit shloka dedicated to Lord Bhairava, a fearsome aspect of Lord Shiva, praising his powers and role as a destroyer of fear and negativity. Bhairava, a fierce form of Shiva, is depicted as a guardian deity and destroyer of fear associated with the destruction of arrogance and punishment to wicked. We will see how did Bhairava came into existence. Once, Brahma and Vishnu were inflated with pride and ego. In his egoistic way, Brahma insulted Shiva. Due to this, Shiva was infuriated and threw a handful of hair from his head. They took a form of Bhairava with his black form. As soon as he was born, Bhairava rushed towards Brahma and cut off his fifth head with his hand, which had insulted Shiva. By cutting his head, Bhairava got into Brahmahatya dosha. As ordered by Shiva, Bhairava, to get rid of this sin, he went begging with Brahma's severed head in his hand. Shiva then created a woman, Brahmahatya, and asked her to follow Bhairava. Although he visited many holy places, he was not able to liberate himself from this dosha. At last, as per Shiva's suggestion, he went to Varanasi and washed off his sin. Brahma's head, which was struck in his hand, got separated in Varanasi, and the place is now called as Kapala Mochana Tirtham. According to Kalika Purana, it is said that Bhairava and Vetala were Shiva's followers, Mahakala and Bhringi. Due to Parvati's curse, they were born as immortal in next birth, and Mahakala as Bhairava, who is immortal. The Puranas mention about 8 important Bhairavas, where Bhairava himself manifested as Asitanga Bhairava, Pruru Bhairava, Chanda Bhairava, Krodhana Bhairava, Unmatta Bhairava, Kapala Bhairava, Samhara Bhairava, and Bhishana Bhairava. They are called as Ashta Bhairava. In the form of Bhairava, Shiva is said to guard each of the Shakti Pitas. Each Shakti Pitam is accompanied by a temple dedicated to Bhairava. The wife of Bhairava is goddess Bhairavi. Bhairavashtami is the day of Kala Bhairava appeared on earth, which is celebrated on Krishna Paksha Ashtami of the Margashisha month. Bhairava has twisted serpents as his ornaments, as earrings, bracelets, anklets, and sacred thread, that is Yajñopavitam. He wears tiger skin and wears human bones. He has a dog, that is Shvana, as his Vahana. Kala Bhairava is conceptualized as Gurunatha of planetary deity Shani Devata. This shloka, which we will be chanting, praises about Bhairava's boundless form as destroyer of enemies, bringing joy, who roams the world, who holds Damaru, adorned with sacred kumkum, purifying 3 worlds, destroying impurities of Kali Yuga, enjoying company of his love, as Lord of Dance, destroyer of demons, who brings happiness to the world. With this introduction, let's chant the shloka. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीभैरवाय नमः। अथ श्रीभैरवताण्डवस्तोत्रम्। ॐ चण्डं प्रतिचण्डं करधृतदण्डं कृतरिपुखण्डं सौख्यकरं लोकं सुखयन्तं विलसितवन्तं प्रकटितदन्तं नृत्यकरं डमरुध्वनिशङ्कं तरलवतंसं मधुरहसन्तं लोकभरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं चर्चितसिन्दूरं रणभूविदूरं दुष्टविदूरं श्रीनिखरं किङ्किणिगणरावं त्रिभुवनपावं खर्परसावं पुण्यभरं करुणामयवेषं सकलसुरेशं मुक्तसुकेशं पापहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं कलिमलसंहारं मदनविहारं फणिपतिहारं शीघ्रकरं कलुषं शमयन्तं परिभृतसन्तं मत्तदृगन्तं शुद्धतरं गतिनिन्दितकेशं नर्तनदेशं स्वच्छकशं सन्मुण्डकरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं कठिनस्तनकुम्भं सुकृतं सुलभं कालीडिम्भं खड्गधरं वृतभूतपिशाचं स्फुटमृदुवाचं स्निग्धसुकाचं भक्तबरं तनुभाजितशेषं विलमसुदेशं कष्टसुरेशं प्रीतिनरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं ललिताननचन्द्रं सुमनवितन्द्रं बोधितमन्द्रं श्रेष्ठवरं सुखिताखिललोकं परिगतशोकं शुद्धविलोकं पुष्टिकरं वरदाभयहारं तरलितकारं क्षुद्रविदारं तुष्टिकरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं भज भज भूतेशं प्रकटमहेशं श्रीभैरववेषं कष्टहरं सकलायुधभारं विजनविहारं शुश्रविशारं భ్రష్టమలం శరణాగతపాలం మృగమదభాలం సంజితకాలం శ్వేష్టబలం పదనూపూరషింజం త్రినయనకంజం గుణిజనరంజన కుష్టహరం భజ భజ భూతేశం ప్రకటమహేశం శ్రీభైరవవేషం కష్టహరం భజ భజ భూతేశం ప్రకటమహేశం శ్రీభైరవవేషం కష్టహరం మర్దయతు సరావం ప్రకటితభావం విశ్వసుభావం జ్ఞానపదం రక్తాంశుఖదోషం పరికృతదోషం నాశితదోషం సన్మతిదం కుటిలభ్రుకుటీకం జ్వరధననీకం విసరంధీకం ప్రేమబరం భజ భజ భూతేశం ప్రకటమహేశం శ్రీభైరవవేషం కష్టహరం భజ భజ భూతేశం ప్రకటమహేశం శ్రీభైరవవేషం కష్టహరం పరినిర్జితకామం విలసితవామం యోగిజనాభం యోగేశం బహుమధ్యపనాథం గీతసుఘాతం కష్టసునాథం వీరేశం కలయంతమశేషం భృతజనదేశం నృత్యసురేశం వీరేశం భజ భజ భూతేశం ప్రకటమహేశం శ్రీభైరవవేషం కష్టహరం భజ భజ భూతేశం ప్రకటమహేశం శ్రీభైరవవేషం కష్టహరం 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 ఇతి శ్రీభైరవతాండవస్తోత్రం సంపూర్ణం. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.